Next, we're going to explore matrix subtraction. This is pretty similar to the one earlier on addition. And subtracting two matrices is also pretty straightforward. For the matrix subtraction to be valid, the matrices involved must have the same dimension, meaning they have the same number of rows and columns. You can only subtract matrices that are of the same order. Consider two matrices. The first matrix has element A, B, C, D. The second matrix has element E, F, G, H. We look at element of the first matrix. For example, let's say we have B, which is the first row, second column. In the first row, second column of the second matrix, we have F. Therefore, in the new matrix, in the first row, second column, we have B minus F. There are two important properties to remember about matrix subtraction. Firstly, it is non-commutative. A minus B is not the same as B minus A. And matrix subtraction does not follow the associative property. This means that if you're subtracting three matrices, the order in which you subtract them matters. This should not be surprising to you, as this is how subtraction works for integer as well. For example, if you have 9 minus 1 minus 2, right? If you put bracket this way, versus if you do 9 minus 1 minus 2, you definitely get different result, right? This one you get a 10, this one you get a 6, 9 minus 1, 8. So the same applies for matrix subtraction. Now let's try to apply matrix subtraction for this example in the computer store. Spend some time to look at the question, and then we can go through this in a minute. This store has an inventory of 3 types of electronics: laptops, tablets, phone, at the beginning and end of 2 different weeks. In week 1 on Monday, we can represent it as a matrix called A1. And we know there's 150 laptops, 120 tablets, and 90 phones. And on week 1 for Friday, we can represent it as B1. There is 130 laptops, 110 tablets, and 80 phones. On week 2, we have A2 equal to 160 laptops, 185 tablets, 100 phones. And then for Friday, let's represent it as B2, where we have 140 laptops, 155 tablets, and 85 phones. Now let's find the difference between Monday and Friday for both weeks by subtracting the Friday matrix from the Monday matrix. In other words, we want to find the matrix D1, where D1 equal to A1 minus B1. And we want to find D2 equal to A2 minus B2. So for D1, we have 150 minus 130 for the first entry. We get 20. Second entry, we have 120 minus 110. We get 10. And the last entry, we have 90 minus 80 equal to 10. For D2, first entry of A2 is 160. For B2 is 140. 160 minus 140 gives you 20. Second column, we have 125 minus 115 equal to 10. The last column, we have 100 minus 85 equal to 15.